Welcome back. In this video, we will provide you a coding intuition after completion of your operators concept. So this is very important class to understand. These examples will help you a lot in how to write coding and understand our coming classes. So we take an example and let's try to understand what's the intuition that suppose in our previous examples, whatever the concepts we learned. So the concept we learned is coding executes line by line. And all the examples which we discussed in our previous classes, they are going to execute line by line. Suppose laptop cost is equal to 10,000. After execution of this line, next line is going to be executed. Is platinum is equal to true. Then next line is going to be executed. Then next line is going to be executed. This is how programming is going to be executed. But actually, in the real-time scenarios, this line-by-line execution, sometimes it is not needed. Let's try to understand why it is not needed with this example. Let's take you are running an e-commerce website. In your e-commerce website, you are having platinum customers. And for platinum customers, you are going to provide you a 5% flat discount on all the products. Now, how you are going to write that code? For remaining customers, you are not going to provide that discount. In this scenario, this continuous execution is not needed. Why it is not needed? Let's try to understand. Laptop cost equal to 10,000. After execution of this line, next line is going to be executed. Is the customer is platinum card holder? If he is a platinum card holder, the value that present here is a true value. So if he is a platinum card holder, he is going to get a true value. Now, if he is a platinum card holder, so what happens? This block of code is going to be has to be executed because this logic is especially for platinum card holders. Block 1, laptop cost minus 5%, you have to provide discount. And one coupon, you have for each platinum card holder, you have to generate a coupon for each purchase. Similarly, you are going to add points according to all this logic belongs to platinum card holders, not for remaining persons. And block 2, this block of code is for non-platinum holders. Laptop cost as it is, no coupons for non-platinum card holders. And you will add some points, but the points that are going to be added is different when compared to the platinum card holder. Means the logic is different. So 2 blocks of code you have written. Understand the terms properly. 2 blocks of code you have written. One block is for platinum card holder. Second block is for non-platinum card holders. If this condition has been met, if he is a platinum card holder, try to execute this block of code. This block should be avoided. If he is not a platinum card holder, the execution should jump from here to second block of code. We are not executing the next line. Continuous execution. We are eliminating that continuous execution. From here, we are jumping to the next block of code. This is needed in order to build logic. So in our coming classes, you are going to understand how this jump is going to happen, what syntax we are going to use, and what are the concepts that are available in programming language in order to take these jumps. How many ways we can do that. All those things we are going to discuss in our next classes. Hope you got good intuition about how execution is jumping from one part to why it is needed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.